We shall now remove the exhaust system from the down pipes, from the manifolds, the starter motor, in the sequence, speedo cable, gear selector linkage, because this is an automatic, and remove the prop shaft. We intend to leave the gearbox attached to the engine to lift it out. That way we haven't got to mess with the torque converter bolts or the bell housing bolts. As we've said, it's all got to be detailed when it's off and clean, so the gearbox will go out with it. We'll now start by removing the prop shaft. Okay, now we have the prop shaft out. We'll just remove the last exhaust pipe now. Okay, now you join us, the exhaust's off as you saw in the clip, starter motor's off, mountings are undone, got one last bolt in the gearbox mounting, and then we're ready to lift. Okay. Right, well there we go, it's out, it's ready for its next stage. This shall now be a carrying on project over the next few weeks, probably into early January. We will demonstrate each process during the detailing, and hopefully next week we shall look at a Daimler consort for fitting dashboard and instruments. Thank you for watching. If you want to visit, our website is cbrclassicrestorations.co.uk. Thank you.